Did you notice the travel sentiment score? We're seeing a plus 0.08 spike right now, which is noteworthy compared to the historical baseline. This indicates a subtle uptick in positive feelings toward travel, even as momentum holds steady at 0. With 20 distinct semantic clusters, our API is returning nuanced insights about what's driving this shift. Imagine you're building an app that helps users discover travel destinations. With this sentiment data, you can tailor recommendations to capitalize on the current optimism. For instance, if beach destinations are gaining positive sentiment, you can highlight those in your user interface. For more details on how to integrate this into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this data to enhance your travel insights.